Emma's extraordinary journey. Once upon a time, in a dense and treacherous jungle, there lived a courageous explorer named Emma. Known for her unwavering determination and unyielding spirit, Emma was on a mission to uncover the secrets of a mythical lost city hidden deep within the heart of the jungle. With a team of experienced guides and fellow explorers, Emma ventured into the unknown. As the days turned into weeks, the challenges of the jungle began to reveal themselves. Thick vines intertwined, obscuring their path, while slippery terrain threatened to send them tumbling into deep ravines. And yet, Emma's resolve remained unshaken. She encouraged her team to push forward, to overcome every obstacle that came their way. However, as they neared the supposed location of the lost city, tragedy struck. While attempting to cross a treacherous river, a sudden gush of water swept Emma away from the group. Her team searched desperately for her, but the dense foliage and ominous sounds of the jungle kept them from finding any trace of their beloved leader. Days turned into weeks, and the news of Emma's disappearance spread like wildfire. The local authorities stepped in to organize a search and rescue operation, employing the help of skilled trackers and even helicopters to scour the vast. The family and friends of Emma clung to hope, praying for her safe return. Meanwhile, deep within the heart of the jungle, Emma struggled to survive. She battled hunger, fatigue, and the constant fear of unknown dangers lurking in the shadows. But her undying determination kept her going. She made makeshift shelters, foraged for food, and relied on her instincts to navigate through the dense vegetation. As the weeks turned into months, Emma stumbled upon a hidden waterfall cascading down a moss-covered cliff. Intrigued, she followed the sound, only to discover a hidden cave behind the rushing waters. Feeling a spark of excitement ignite within her, Emma cautiously ventured into the cavernous depths, unaware of the breathtaking revelation that awaited her. Inside the cave, Emma discovered an ancient archaeological site. The walls were adorned with intricate carvings and sculptures, showcasing a forgotten civilization's rich history. With a sense of awe and disbelief, Emma knew that she had stumbled upon the lost city she had been searching for, but her excitement was tempered by the knowledge that she was still trapped in the heart of the jungle, with no means of escape. Back in civilization, search efforts continued. The authorities maintained their resolve, determined to bring Emma back to safety. And finally, one fateful day, a rescue team spotted a faint smoke trail emerging from deep within the jungle. Following the signs of life, they pushed forward, their hearts racing with anticipation. As the rescue team emerged from the dense foliage, they saw Emma, her weary but elated face finally breaking through the surface of despair. The reunion was emotional, tears of relief streaking down the faces of her loved ones and teammates. Emma's incredible tale of survival and her discovery of the long-lost city captivated the world. The consequences of Emma's extraordinary journey were far-reaching. The hidden city she uncovered became a celebrated archaeological site, attracting historians, scientists, and adventure seekers from around the globe. Emma's courage and determination inspired countless individuals to embark on their own quests for knowledge and adventure. As for Emma, her resilience and unwavering spirit were forever etched in her soul. Her time in the jungle had tested her beyond measure, but had also revealed the true depths of her strength. She continued to embark on further expeditions, forever chasing the thrill of exploration and the pursuit of undying curiosity. Emma's story taught the world that even in the face of the harshest adversities, one can find profound beauty and unforgettable moments of triumph.